Non-asset task is the type of task you use when there is work to do, like mowing, cleaning, or investigate, that doesn't involve an asset in your system. So to create a non-asset task, we're going to go up and we're going to click on Create a Task. You'll notice here that it indicates that this is a non-asset task. So now at this point here, we're going to go ahead and enter in all the appropriate task information. So we'll just do a mowing task. I'll set the priority to medium. And let's go ahead and set a labor. And now we can go ahead and click Next. Now you have to, now you have the option to add a location for this task or to go ahead and click Next to proceed. We'll go ahead and we'll add a location. From the map here, you can either place the pin at the location of the task by clicking and dragging, or you can type in the address. We're going to go ahead and we're going to enter a task address. So when entering a task address, a light blue colored pin will drop at the address entered. And a map tip will also state the address entered. Let's see if we can find an address here. So we just did 520 Grand Avenue. So you can see here the tooltip that generated and then the light blue pin tip that dropped. So when done, you can go ahead and click Next. And now you're going to have your options to create just this task or to create this task and create a brand new work order, or to go ahead and create this task and add it to an existing work order. But we'll just go ahead and create this task. So when you're done, we can just go ahead and click Finish and Save. And now you've created your non-asset task.